Hi, today we'll be making an automatic light system using an LDR sensor. The main aim of this project is to turn on the LED or the light when the room is dark or at night, and to turn off the LED when the room has light or when it's during the day. For this, we'll be needing an LDR sensor, an LED, an Arduino, a few jumper wires, and two resistors. Let's look into the connections. First, we have the LDR sensor. And the LDR sensor will be connected to a resistor which is 10k ohms in series. The positive terminal of the LDR will be connected to the positive terminal of the breadboard, and the negative terminal will be connected in series to the 10k ohm resistor, which in turn will be grounded. The negative terminal of the LDR will be connected to the A0 pin of the Arduino. Now let's move on to the LED. The LED will be connected in series with a 220 ohm resistor, which in turn will be connected to pin number 3 on the Arduino. The negative terminal of the LED will be grounded. The power supply is given to the positive terminal of the breadboard, and the ground is connected to the ground point of the breadboard. Now let's look at the code. First, we'll start the code by initializing the pins. So the sensor pin is initialized to A0 because the LDR pin is connected to the A0 of the Arduino. The sensor value will be initialized to 0 for now. The LED will be connected to pin number 3 on the Arduino, hence it is assigned to 3. Now in the setup function, we will be declaring the pin modes, as we all know that the pin mode of the LED is output, so hence it will be assigned to output. And now in the loop function, we'll be printing the value from the LDR sensor. To read the value from the LDR sensor, we'll be reading it using analog read function, and then the value will be printed on the serial monitor. Now this is the condition to on and off the LED. Now if there is no light in the room, the LED will turn on. So if sensor value is less than 100, the light will turn on, that means the LED will turn on. So we do that by using digital write LED high. Else, if there is light in the room, there is no need for the LED to glow on. That means there is no need for the light to turn on in the room, since because there's already light in the room. So LED will be low. The code will be in the link in the description below. Thank you. First, we'll start by uploading the code. We open the serial monitor, see the output. As you can see, the LDR value right now is 150, and that means there's light in the room and the LED won't turn on. Now I'll be covering the LDR sensor with my hand so that there is no light falling on the LDR sensor, and as you can see, the LDR sensor value is reduced and the LEDs has turned on, and you can see that as I keep doing it again and again, the LED turns on and off. So thank you for watching the video. See you next time.